Did you know that you can extend your battery life? You can literally impact how long your phone will live, literally your battery life lasts by enable one simple feature. And I'm going to show you how. So do a swipe up on your Android or Samsung phone and go to settings and tap on battery. Now this feature here that says protect battery, if you have this enabled, this will literally extend the lifespan of your battery, because each time you charge your battery, it will only go to a maximum of 80 or 85%, depending on your phone. Some phone will say 80%, some phone will say 85%. The percentage will range depending on the phone. So if you want to extend your battery life, simple toggle this on, and from now on, once you charge your phone, it will not charge to more than 85%. So you can see here, guys, that literally once you charge your phone to 100%, that literally increase the chances of your lifespan of your battery to decrease, right? So this is very valuable information, and I hope you find this useful. And if that said, give this video a like, let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, and also hit that subscribe button if you're seeing the channel for the first time. Thank you very much, and see you next time.